Hello friends, welcome to Programming Soul. In a world where everyone wants to become a developer, let's also talk about the skills required for development. When we talk about development, JavaScript comes on top of the list for programming languages. With so much demand for JavaScript that is used by many developers, the number is increasing day by day. JavaScript is one such programming language that is preferred over any other programming language by most developers. Also, major tech companies like Microsoft, Uber, Google, Netflix, and Meta use JavaScript in their projects. So in this video, we're going to talk about important projects of JavaScript. Our first project is single-page application. When you're new to JavaScript, it's obvious to start your journey by implementing something small. Because when you implement something and it works well, it gives you self-confidence and motivation to learn more and work on some of the best JavaScript projects. A single-page app is a web app that contains a single web page having limited features, with no refresh option. All the functionality of the elements of the website can be loaded in only one click. The best example is Google Maps. Next project is to-do list. Being in a college, you need to have a notes app to keep a record of your daily work. You get so busy with the daily chores that you forget about upcoming tasks, hence, a notes app would be of great help. Therefore, it is considered to be the best JavaScript project idea. It is similar to building a to-do list app in which you assign yourself daily tasks and as soon as they're done, you put a check mark. The concept of event listener will get clear after implementing such a project. Next project is budget application. While spending money, it's not easy to check daily on your expenses. And there comes a time when before the month ends, you run short of money. In that case, the budgeting application will help you to plan your monthly budget prior and use them accordingly. Working on implementing a budget application will not only help beginners but people of any age group. In this application, you need to work on features such as a login page, for individual users, enter the month and the monthly expense for that particular month, and a plan to use it precisely and wherever needed. Our fourth project is quiz application. An app that handles quizzes in a time period will be much beneficial to the candidates appearing for online exams. Implementing something similar to that will be fun for JavaScript beginners. They are made for educational and also entertaining purposes. Also, you can make a simple quiz app that contains 5 to 10 questions based on any domain, and as per users' entries for the answers, marks will be evaluated. The app should also display the incorrect answers and the correct answers to those after submitting the test. This is the best project idea any beginner can work on. Our last project is e-commerce websites. E-commerce will always be on the list of the best JavaScript project ideas. Similar to Amazon, Flipkart, etc., you can work on building a small similar app that allows users to order anything by being at their comfort place and pace. It is okay if you don't add all the functionalities. Since you're a beginner, you can just work on a few features which include a list of products, a search button, an order button, ordered items, and a payment gateway to buy the product. This could be the best JavaScript project idea for any beginner.